Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Health Boost Show, where we delve into the depths of wellness, nutrition, and the intriguing science behind what keeps our bodies ticking. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore a topic that's been gathering quite the buzz in the health community: probiotics. You might have seen them lining the shelves of your local health store or heard friends and health enthusiasts rave about their benefits. But what exactly are probiotics? And more importantly, how do they impact your gut health? Whether you're a keen follower of health trends or someone seeking reliable information to enhance your well-being, this episode is dedicated to unraveling the mystery and power of these microscopic allies. To truly appreciate what probiotics are, we need to start with the basics. Our journey begins with the human microbiome, a bustling microscopic universe within us that's pivotal to our health. The microbiome consists of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes, residing mainly in our gut, but also on our skin and throughout the body. In fact, the number of microbial cells in our bodies surpasses our own human cells, highlighting their significance in our biological framework. Central to this microbiome are bacteria, which play a dual role. Some are pathogenic, causing diseases, while others, probiotics, are beneficial. Probiotics, derived from the Greek word for life, are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, offer health benefits. They help maintain the balance of gut flora by enhancing the growth of good bacteria while inhibiting the harmful ones. Most commonly, probiotics are bacteria, although certain yeasts can also serve as probiotics. Now, one might wonder how something so minuscule can wield such influence over our health. The key lies in the gut, where these probiotics perform their magical duties. Our gut is not merely an organ for digestion. It acts as a core component of our immune system, with about 70% of our immune cells residing there. A well-balanced gut microbiota aids in proper digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even influences mood and behavior by producing neurotransmitters like serotonin. The digestive process itself is rather complex. As food travels through our digestive tract, probiotics help break down complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fibers that our bodies struggle to digest on their own. Through this fermentation process, they produce short-chain fatty acids, a critical energy source for cells lining the colon and a deterrent to harmful bacteria. This balance is crucial, as an imbalance, known as dysbiosis, can lead to conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and even obesity. Another fascinating aspect of probiotics is their role in immunomodulation. They serve as a barrier against intrusive pathogens by blocking their adhesion to the gut lining. Furthermore, probiotics can modulate the immune response, initiating anti-inflammatory mechanisms and enhancing the production of antibodies. This indicates that a probiotic-rich gut can potentially lower your susceptibility to infections and manage inflammatory conditions. But the influence of probiotics transcends physical health. There's a burgeoning field of research exploring the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain. Emerging studies suggest that probiotics can influence this axis, impacting mood disorders like anxiety and depression. The premise is that a healthy gut can foster a sound mind by influencing the production of neurotransmitters and hormones that affect mood and cognitive function. Now, where can you source these tiny powerhouses? Naturally, probiotics are found in fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. They're also available as dietary supplements, offering specific strains for targeted health benefits. However, it's essential to note that not all probiotics were created equal. Different strains offer different benefits, and their effects can be strain-specific. For example, some strains might be excellent for enhancing immunity, while others might best support digestion. When considering supplements, consulting with a healthcare professional can provide guidance tailored to your individual needs. And while probiotics can be immensely beneficial, they aren't a panacea. They should complement, not replace, a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Each individual's gut microbiota is unique, influenced by genetics, and even the environment. Thus, the way probiotics affect one person might differ from another. It is also crucial to be mindful of quality when selecting probiotic products, as potency and viability can vary. As we come to grasp the profound effects of probiotics, the future looks promising. Ongoing research continues to unlock their potential, from possible applications in mental health therapies to preventing antibiotic-associated diarrhea, and even managing skin conditions like eczema. As science progresses, our understanding of these microorganisms will sharpen, offering even more groundbreaking ways to harness their benefits. In conclusion, probiotics are remarkable organisms with vast potential to boost gut health and, subsequently, our overall well-being. They play indispensable roles by maintaining the equilibrium of the gut microbiota, enhancing digestion, supporting the immune system, and possibly influencing mental health. As you navigate your journey to optimal health, consider them an integral part of your approach, alongside healthy, nutritious food choices and lifestyle habits. I hope this deep dive into the world of probiotics has been enlightening. Remember, maintaining a healthy gut is a pivotal step towards a healthier you, both physically and mentally. Thank you for tuning in to the Health Boost Show today. Be sure to subscribe and join us next time as we continue exploring the myriad facets of health and wellness. Stay curious, stay healthy, and until next time, keep thriving.